The University Appointments Board on Friday released a list of over 40 academic staff who were sacked. These were dismissed for several reasons, ranging from absconding from work to non-performance. However, the Makerere University Academic Staff Association and lawyers of some of those affected want the university tribunal to get involved in the matter.
Let the tribunal sit as soon as possible, because justice delayed, justice denied. So we want that to sit with that the tribunal sits to listen to these people, because they are very many, and we know that most of them, as so far the information we have, I don't think in a fair and a progressive institution, this is what would be happening to them.
So they didn't even convene a meeting to conduct a trial on such a serious allegation. It's pointless to go further. We will definitely challenge all this. And I urge every other affected person on this list to take appropriate measures to challenge this stupidity.
All of them were contacted so that they could appear before the board. But as you imagine, some who absconded are actually working outside the country, but they were given enough time. All efforts were made to make sure that they received the invitations to appear before the board. Everything which could be done was done. All attempts were exhausted.
Dr. James Ochita, who has been in the literature department, has been a vocal critic of Makerere University Institute of Social Research head, Professor Mahmoud Mamdan. However, he cites several irregularities in the way he finally lost his job.
Even a corrupt judge cannot sustain the case against me. It's just so obvious. It's plain abuse of regulations.
A colleague of his on the list is Dr. Stella Nyanzi, who is currently jailed at Luzira prison.
Unfortunately, without waiting for the outcome of the court proceedings, Makerere University has maliciously taken this step. It's marks of malice, it's marks of further contempt of court, it's marks of contempt of court processes, and I'm sure the High Court will have to deal with this.
Yes. For Stella Nyanzi, it was not dismissal, it was cessation, because her contract had expired, but she had put a case in a tribunal as if she was still a member of council, as if she was still a staff of the university. The Appointments Board simply noted that her contract had expired, and therefore her services were ceded. That's all.
That is a lie. Stella Nyanzi was recruited as a permanent staff. Okay? If there was a mistake with that, that was a mistake of the university, the mistake of the University's Appointments Board, because research fellows in MISA are supposed to be recruited on 5-year contract. But in the case of Stella Nyanzi, whatever the circumstances was, I don't know and I can't comment on it, they gave her a permanent contract.
Recently, the Makerere University Council passed a new bylaw giving it and the Vice-Chancellor powers to terminate the contract of any worker in case they are facing any criminal charges.
If you tell me that Edward Mwavu, if some mivule accuses me in court of law, then Makerere, my employer, will come and dismiss me. And if the court exonerates me, then still the university or my employer can still hold on the dismissal, then it becomes a little bit complicated.
It is not yet clear when or if the University Tribunal will sit to give its final verdict on the issue. Ali Mivule, NTV.